Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick and easy pull through braid updo. First of all, you're going to want to make 4 little ponytails along the top section of the head. Try and keep these above ear level. Once you've completed all your ponytails, just clip them out of the way for now and repeat the same on the bottom section of hair. So just create 4 more little ponytails. Make sure that you put these about 1 inch or 2 away from the hairline at the nape of the neck. So once we've finished, you should have 8 little ponytails, and all we're going to do is create a simple pull through braid. So take that first ponytail on the left hand side at the top, split it in half, take one side under and one side over the ponytail next to it, and then join it to that third ponytail with a clear elastic band. Then just use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at that section to make it more voluminous. And then we're just going to repeat this. So take that ponytail that's hanging down there, split it in 2, and then take the top section over and the bottom section under the ponytail next to it. So it's effectively going through the middle of that strand, and join it to that 4th ponytail on the right hand side. And again, just loosen up the sections so it's nice and voluminous. Next, we're going to be bringing those top ponytails down to join the bottom ponytails. So split that one that's hanging on the left hand side in half, take it over and under the ponytail next to it, and join it with a clear elastic band to the bottom right hand side ponytail. Again, pinch and pull on those sections to make it nice and voluminous. Okay, so working with that last ponytail we have on the top section, split it in half, bring it over and under the ponytail directly underneath it, and join it to the next available bottom ponytail. Then we're just going to continue using this pattern from right to left until you run out of hair. To help cover up that clear elastic band on the top left hand side, I've just taken a couple of bobby pins and used the ends of this to stretch the hair over the elastic, just to help disguise things a little bit. So when you've finished adding the last section of hair to that final ponytail, you should be left with two tail ends, and all we're going to do is take that ponytail on the top, add a clear elastic band a couple of inches down, make a hole in the middle and use your fingers to gently pull the ponytail underneath up and through. And then we're just going to keep repeating that pattern until we run out of hair. Use your fingers to pull at all those sections again to make them nice and voluminous. Now all we're going to do is pin that braid going from left to right underneath the ponytails we've created. Just spend a few minutes making sure that all those sections are nice and voluminous. You can use bobby pins to pin down anything that have gone a little bit too baggy. Apply some hairspray, and that's the finished look done. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.